Today, August 13th, we celebrate International Wolf Day, honoring one of the most intelligent and misunderstood animals on Earth. Now, if you've ever seen a wolf or even just a wolf, you know there's something truly magical about these animals. They move with such grace and power, and their eyes seem to hold ancient wisdom. Wolves have captured our imaginations for centuries, appearing in mythology, folklore, and even our DNA. But despite their popularity in culture, wolves remain shrouded in mystery and misconception. That's why International Wolf Day is so important. It's a chance to learn about wolves, appreciate their beauty, and understand their vital role in our world. As you watch this video, remember that every howl, every glance, every movement tells part of the wolf's story. So let's listen closely and see what they have to teach us. Imagine being able to communicate with your family through a special secret language. That's exactly what wolves do. They use a variety of howls, growls, whines, and yelps to convey messages to each other. Each sound has its own meaning, and wolves can even modify their vocalizations to express subtle nuances. For example, a wolf's howl can convey information about its location, identity, and even reproductive status. The pitch and duration of the howl can also convey different meanings. A low, drawn-out howl may indicate a wolf's excitement or agitation, while a high-pitched, short howl may convey alarm or aggression. In fact, scientists have found that wolves have unique howl rhythms, much like fingerprints. Each wolf has its own distinct rhythm, and they use these rhythms to identify each other even in the dark, or when they can't see each other. This means that wolves can recognize their own howls and distinguish them from the howls of other wolves. It's like having a special code that only your family understands. But wolves don't just communicate through their voices. They also use their bodies to convey messages. A wolf's body language can be just as revealing as its vocalizations. By paying attention to a wolf's ears, tail, eyes, and overall demeanor, experts can gain insight into the animal's emotional state and intentions. For example, a relaxed wolf will have soft, down-turned ears, a lowered tail, and a gentle gaze. An aggressive wolf, on the other hand, will have erect ears, a raised tail, and a direct stare. Wolves are so expressive that they even have their own version of a smile. When a wolf's lips are pulled back, revealing their teeth and gums, it's a sign of happiness or excitement. Just like when we smile, wolves use a variety of vocalizations and body language to communicate with each other. Their howls can convey information about their location, identity, and reproductive status, and their body language can reveal their emotional state and intentions. One of the most fascinating aspects of wolf communication is their use of play vocalizations. Wolves are known for their playfulness, and they use a variety of sounds to engage in mock battles and other playful activities. These vocalizations, such as play growls and yelps, are thought to help establish dominance hierarchies within wolf packs and to strengthen bonds between members of the pack. Play vocalizations are also thought to be an important part of a wolf's socialization, helping them develop the skills they need to interact with others. Wolves are highly social animals and live in packs with their mates and offspring. Packs typically consist of a breeding female and male and their offspring from several litters. Wolves are highly dependent on their mothers for the first few months of life. As pups, they rely on their mother's milk for nutrition and her protection from predators. As they grow older, wolves begin to hunt with their pack and take on more responsibility. Wolves are highly adaptable and can live in a variety of habitats, from forests to deserts to tundra. They are also highly intelligent and are known for their ability to solve complex problems and learn new behaviors. But perhaps the most important thing to know about wolves is their crucial role in maintaining balance in our ecosystems. Wolves are apex predators, which means that they are at the top of the food chain in their habitat. This means that they play a critical role in regulating populations of herbivores, which in turn helps to maintain the health of plant communities. By keeping herbivore numbers in check, wolves prevent overgrazing and habitat degradation. Wolves also help to maintain biodiversity by preying on the sick, weak, and old animals, which helps to ensure that the gene pool of the prey species remains strong. Wolves are truly remarkable animals. They are highly intelligent, social, and adaptable. They have a profound impact on their ecosystems and have captured our imaginations for centuries. So this International Wolf Day, let's take a moment to appreciate these magnificent creatures and the vital role they play in our world. Wolves are facing threats such as habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict, which can occur when wolves prey on livestock or pets. But there are things that people can do to help protect them. One way to help wolves is to support organizations that work to conserve wolf habitat and educate people about wolves. Another way to help wolves is to make sure that pets are leashed and livestock is properly secured to reduce the likelihood of wolf attacks. Finally, we can all do our part to spread awareness about wolves and dispel myths and misconceptions about these animals. With a little effort, we can help ensure that wolves continue to roam free for generations to come. If you want to learn more about wolves and how you can help protect them, visit our website. You can also support us by liking this video and sharing it with your friends. Thank you for watching and happy International Wolf Day.